This is episode 1 of a series explaining the history of dance and dance crazes. This is a brief overview of the dances and dates and how dances were developed. A brief date overview of the dance crazes and development. 1910. It was a jazz ragtime era with lots of animal craze names such as the turkey trot, the horse trot, ball in the jack, grizzly bear, the raccoon, the fish walk, the monkey and the crab crawl. (1910 to 1912). The rag, the one step. This was the first modern ballroom dance. It was walking round the line of dance. It was popularised by Alexander's Ragtime Band. (1913). The tango. This dance will be gone into in further depth in another episode. (1914). The foxtrot. This was a slower waltz, the hesitation, trying to waltz the tango. Again, the foxtrot will be gone into in more depth in a future episode. Also, there was Brazilian rhythm, the maxim. It soon went, but it was the basis for a new sequence dance, the Maxina, 1917. The 1920s. Waltz music has now slowed down, called the slow waltz, and it provided the basis for Victor Sylvester's revamped version, which became known as the modern waltz. This is also known as the jazz waltz in some countries. The rotary waltz by Strauss. Dance freaks. 1920s. The Charleston, which was absorbed into the one step, black bottom and varsity drag. The Charleston became popular in Chicago in 1926 when the girls were known as flappers because they looked like birds flapping their wings when they danced. A film called Running Wild in 1923 was the basis for the opposition arm movements. The word Charleston is from Charlestown, South Carolina, America. The speed is danced at 200 to 300 beats per minute. The flappers were blamed for the decline of standards because of the cheekiness of the dance and was banned from many dance halls in the 1920s, but remained popular in many underground bars. It is still popular as it can be danced solo, in pairs or in groups. (1960s). The twist, a quick time flat Charleston, became quick step. The old waltz became the Viennese waltz, same steps as waltz but to at least 60 bars per minute. The polka was also revived briefly in America as Dance Variations. (1930s). The first Latin American rumba, conga, both peaked early 1950s, plus samba, jive, cha-cha-cha and paso doble, a new concept of variable routines. Also from the 1930s, modern steps, parallel feet with only fast steps danced on the toes, and slow heel leads and rise and falls with only tango now danced on flat feet. Music of saxophone of 1920s and of big bands, brass, strings, jazz, swing and Latin influences. Of course, musicals and the big screen played a large part in the development of the dances, with new choreography taking the world by storm. This series will have its own playlist and will cover all aspects of dance, the history of dance, the progress of dance and many different styles and crazes, so look out for more in this series. If this series is of interest to you, then don't forget to let me know in the comments, share this video and like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my playlist as I cover all aspects of dance from tuition and beyond. Do let me know in the comments below what is your preferred dance subject. Do you just enjoy watching dance programs or do you participate in dance? Let me know your level too. And if you have a dance partner, if you do say ballroom or Latin, do let me know about that. Did you meet on the dance floor, in dance classes, or did you encourage your partner to start to learn to dance? Let's get a dance community happening. Let's get in contact with each other through this channel and share our dance stories and experiences. So either email me or drop me a comment below. Until next time, happy dancing!